Hi everybody, I'm Natalie with Missouri Star Quilt Company, and today we're going to learn how to do the pistil stitch. Now the pistil stitch is basically a straight line of thread with a French knot at the end, and they're commonly used for like the centers of flowers or maybe making a fireworks, something that kind of a dandelion. It would be very great for that. All right, so I've got my floss and my needle is threaded. I have a knot in the end, and we're going to start by coming up through the back of the fabric at the end of where you want your stitch to start. And then what you're going to do is go and hold your thread out about the length of your stitch, and then wrap the thread around your needle just like you're doing a French knot, and it just goes straight in. You can do as many wraps as you want, and that again determines how fat your French knot is or big. And then you just continue. That's it. It's just that simple. So we'll do a few of these here. I'm holding my thread as long as I want it to be, and then wherever I want that French knot is where I stick my needle back in after wrapping the thread around it 3 or 4 times, holding it tight with the thumb of my left hand and pulling that tight. It's pretty simple. It's one of those ones that looks a little bit complicated because you just don't know how to do it yet. But that is kind of how life is, right? Once you learn, it's not as hard as you think. All right, I'm going to do a couple more, and then we will head over to the hoop so you can get a closer look. So I always enjoy learning new things, and I hope you guys have enjoyed this too. I hope it inspires your creativity and gives you a little courage to try new things. I think it'll look so great in the centers of flowers or dandelions, fireworks, whatever fun things you want to create. And I hope you've enjoyed this stitch from the Missouri Star Quilt Company.